Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef for the Chef for You to Have. I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at a shared commercial kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make a strawberry and celery seed dressing. So what I'm going to use, I've got these strawberries here. I've had them sitting in a little bit of lemon juice, and we'll add some more. And again, I like to get rid of the leaves and the stem part there by hulling it, sticking in the tip of my knife and just circling it around and drawing that out. Okay. Now we'll add to it a little bit of some salt and pepper. Got about a quarter teaspoon there, and about an eighth of a teaspoon of some pepper. And then we're going to add some celery seeds. Now these taste very similar to celery, but it's got a very predominant flavor. So when you make this, you can definitely season that to your own liking. I like it where you can just taste it, where it's not too overpowering. And we're talking about maybe a half of a teaspoon of the celery seeds, okay? And then we need some vinegar. So I'm going to add some coconut vinegar. And lastly, a little oil. Okay, now that we've got it here in the blender, we will whiz it and get it ready to eat. All right, now let's just check it. We want to make sure and scrape down any of the sides so it's not too chunky. It needs just a little bit more oil in there. Okay, so the dressing is done. And then what I like to do, I figured I'll put it on a little bit of some baby spinach. And then, since it already has the celery seeds in it, I'll add a little chopped celery. And then how about we'll throw a tomato on, or I'm sorry, a strawberry on there too. I'm going to cut it in half long ways, and then go back and slice it so it makes some wonderful little strawberry sticks. And then this will be a perfect dressing to just drizzle that right on top. Okay, so there is how to make a strawberry and celery seed dressing.